Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing essentials: a verified page, business manager access, and an active ad account. Next, create a lead generation campaign with a clear objective. Pick a daily budget and schedule. Build a concise lead form, limit fields to 3-5, and include one strong call to action so people know exactly what they get. Once done, write a short, benefit-focused headline and a clear privacy notice. Make sure your form matches the ad creative and objective before publishing. Now focus on who sees your ad and what they see. Use custom audiences from website traffic and email lists, then add a 1%, 3% lookalike to scale. Design creative with a fast hook, 3 to 7 seconds, then state the benefit and one call to action. Create multiple ad variations for a /B testing. Change headline, image, or CTA. Set placements and budgets per ad set and stagger start times so you can compare performance. Monitor early metrics and pause losers to conserve budget. Finish by closing the loop. Auto-sync leads to your CRM and send an autoresponder within 5 to 15 minutes to increase conversion. Track cost per lead, click-through rate, and conversion rate daily. Optimize by reallocating budget to top performers and refining audiences. If lead flow drops, troubleshoot quickly, verify form status and add approval, confirm billing, and check pixel events for recent changes. Make small, data-driven tweaks and retest. This keeps momentum and improves lead quality over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.